There's like an old school scale in here. Were you making noises in here? You're right over here somewhere making noises. Shh, shh. Point the flashlight down. Did you hear those, Kaden? Did you hear those footsteps? Alright, spirit box is not doing anything. I want to go further in here. You guys want to come in?
No, not really. Okay, I heard that.
You heard that? Is there somebody in this building above me?
I think so. Yeah.
I think I'm hearing them. Yeah, that's somebody on the staircase.
Somebody else coming down.
Here, will you take this spirit box? My phone's saying weird stuff again. Storage, something or another. All right, I'm leaving then.